In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. A great way to showcase your career progression and keep your profile up to date. Let's get started by going to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, sign into your account with your credentials. It's always a good habit to ensure your login details are secure and that you're using a strong password to protect your personal information. Now that you've signed in successfully, go to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and then choose View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile where you can make any necessary updates and additions. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down a bit until you find the Experience section. Here is where we'll be adding your new role. Look for the plus icon, usually located near the top of this section. Click on the plus icon and then click on Add Position. This action will open a new window for you to enter all the details about your new role. Begin by entering the title of your new position. Make sure it's clear and accurately reflects the job you've taken on. Next, select the employment type that best describes your role from the drop-down menu, whether it's full-time, part-time, or freelance. For the company or organization field, type in the same company name as your previous role. This ensures that LinkedIn recognizes it's the same employer, which keeps your experience tidy and organized. If you're currently working in this position, there should be an option you can check that indicates this. It's a handy feature that allows you to present your latest job info to your network accurately. Then you'll want to select your start date, which includes both the month and year. If your role has ended, you can also select the appropriate end date, or you can leave it blank if you're still in the position. Next, enter the location where you're working. Sometimes this is an actual city, or it could be remote work. If there's an option to select the location type, such as office or remote, go ahead and do that. Following that, there's a section asking where you found the job. You might choose options like an internal job board, a recruiter, or other avenues. You also have the option to add any skills or media associated with your role. This is a fantastic opportunity to highlight key achievements or projects that might impress viewers visiting your profile. Finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. And when you're satisfied, click on the Save button to update your profile with your new role. Congratulations, you've now successfully added a new position under the same company on LinkedIn, keeping your professional history accurate and up to date.